when your old world disappears, and there's no future in the past when you're only 15 years. I love hope, I love tears, I love freedom, I love fears, but it's not the hour you've left behind that I love hunger, I love pain, oh, you'll never see again, but the isle of hope is always on your mind. When they closed down Ellis Island in 1943, 17 million people had gone there for sanctuary. And in springtime